Madrid, the exciting capital of Spain, is buzzing with life and energy. It's a city where old history mixes seamlessly with modern life, creating a unique blend of the past and present. Fancy avenues with beautiful grand buildings lead to charming squares filled with history and stories. In these busy squares, you'll hear lively chatter, the clinking of glasses, and smell the aroma of fresh coffee wafting through the air. Madrid is a treat for your senses, offering vibrant street life and endless activities. It's where art, culture, and delicious food come together, making every trip an amazing experience. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of this historic city. The smell of Spanish food comes from cozy restaurants, inviting you to taste traditional dishes. Friendly people say hola as you walk by, making you feel welcome and at home. Madrid welcomes everyone with open arms, inviting you to explore its secrets and enjoy its vibrant energy. Whether you love art and want to explore famous museums like the Prado and Reina Sofia, or you're interested in the fascinating stories of kings and queens, Madrid has something for you. From museums to historical sites, Madrid offers a variety of attractions that cater to all interests. Get ready to explore grand palaces, see amazing art, and immerse yourself in the rich culture. Taste real Spanish food, from tapas to traditional dishes, in the city's many restaurants and markets. Madrid is ready to amaze you and leave a special memory. Let the adventure begin in this vibrant, historic city. You can't go to Madrid without visiting the Royal Palace. This iconic landmark is a must-see for anyone visiting the city. This huge palace is one of the biggest in Europe, boasting over 3,000 rooms. Its sheer size and grandeur are truly breathtaking. Inside, you'll find lavish rooms adorned with exquisite paintings, intricate tapestries, and sparkling chandeliers. Each room tells a story of Spain's rich history. Imagine walking through the grand halls, thinking about the kings and queens who walked there before you. The sense of history is palpable. Next, head over to Plaza Mayor, the main square of Madrid. This historic square has been the heart of the city for centuries. This beautiful square is always bustling with activity. Street performers entertain the crowds, and the many cafes fill the air with the aroma of delicious food. It's the perfect spot to soak up the vibrant energy of Madrid, while enjoying a relaxing lunch at one of the outdoor cafes. If you have a passion for art, the Prado Museum is a must-visit. This world-renowned museum is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. Inside, you'll find an amazing collection of Spanish paintings, spanning centuries of artistic achievement. See famous works by legendary artists like Goya, Velázquez, and El Greco. Each painting offers a glimpse into Spain's artistic heritage. Let the paintings transport you back in time as you admire the skill and creativity of these great masters. Need a break from the hustle and bustle of the city? Head to Retiro Park, a green oasis in the heart of Madrid. This expansive park offers a peaceful escape with its lush green areas and tranquil pathways. It's the perfect place to unwind. Rent a rowboat and float on the calm lake, enjoying the serene surroundings and the gentle sway of the water. Take a leisurely walk through the beautifully manicured gardens, admiring the statues and fountains that add to the park's charm. As the sun goes down, the city of Madrid comes alive with vibrant energy and cultural richness. Get ready for the exciting passion of flamenco, a dance that tells stories through its intense rhythms and expressive movements. This traditional Spanish art form mixes music, dancing, and colorful costumes, creating a mesmerizing experience for all who watch. Watch a flamenco show in one of Madrid's many tablaos, intimate venues where the magic of flamenco truly comes to life. You can't go to Spain without trying tapas, the delightful small plates that are a staple of Spanish cuisine. These small plates of yummy Spanish food are perfect for sharing with friends, making every meal a social event. Go on a tapas tour in the La Latina neighborhood, where you can hop from bar to bar, sampling a variety of delicious dishes. Try different foods, from patatas bravas, crispy potatoes with spicy sauce that pack a punch, to tortilla española, Spanish omelette, a comforting and hearty dish. For a fun shopping experience, go to El Rastro Flea Market, held every Sunday in the heart of Madrid. This big outdoor market is full of antiques, old clothes, and cool souvenirs, offering something for everyone. Try to get a good deal or just enjoy the lively atmosphere, where the hustle and bustle of shoppers create a unique and vibrant scene. Getting around Madrid is easy. You can walk a lot, but the public transportation is great too. The metro goes everywhere and is easy to use. Buy a multi-trip card to save money. Madrid has places to stay for everyone, from fancy hotels to cozy guest houses and budget hostels. Staying in the city center makes it easy to see the main sights. The best time to visit Madrid is spring or fall. The weather is nice and there are fewer crowds. Avoid the summer when it gets very hot. Madrid is a city you won't forget. It's a place where history, art, and culture come together for an amazing trip. From the Grand Royal Palace to a small tapas bar, Madrid has something for everyone. So, pack your bags, get ready for some Spanish fun, and come discover the magic of Madrid. Your adventure is waiting.